What is it that sustains the eternal flow of molten metal, steel of such fine quality that is preferred by one and all? Steel that helps reduce tonnage, steel that translates into customer delight. The most cost-effective steel, Vizag Steel. Located in the picturesque settings marked by the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited is the sixth and the largest integrated steel plant set up in the public sector. Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited (RINL) was formed in 1982 for construction and operation of VSP. Overcoming several constraints during its construction, the plant started its production in 1990. Envisaged with international levels of productivity, the plant is presently operating at over 120% capacity utilization. RINL is celebrating the 25th year of its illustrious journey in 2007. RINL has won several accolades for its commitment to excellence and has become the first integrated steel plant in India. RINL Steel Complex, comprising the tallest of coke oven batteries, the largest of blast furnaces in India, the most efficient of converter shops, and the most trouble-free high-speed rolling mills, ensure successful production and delivery of world-class quality products to its customers in India and abroad. Sophisticated raw material handling systems provide a homogeneous input material to the downstream processes by suitably blending different types of incoming coals to achieve targeted blend. Iron ore fines are long travel stacked to supply uniform quality of input for sinter making. Coke, the reducing agent and fuel for the blast furnace, is produced by the destructive distillation of the blended coals. For this, we are equipped with 3 numbers of 7-meter tall coke oven batteries with 67 ovens each. High-quality low-ash coals are imported from Australia and blended with indigenous coals in the ratio of 85:15. To produce coke with ash 12 to 14% and 64 minimum CSR and 23 to 25 CRI, which reduce coke rate and increase productivity at the blast furnace. Another unique feature that is dry quenching of coke produces superior quality of coke with low moisture content and high strength and helps in reducing environmental pollution caused by water quenching. Iron ore fines, flux, coke breeze, along with recycled metallurgical waste and LD slag are agglomerated to produce high-quality sinter, which forms 75 to 80% of iron-bearing charge for our blast furnaces. Medium Merchant Mill, or LMMM, fully automated and computer-controlled, is 1.25 kilometers long. The billet mill of LMMM produces billets of 125 by 125 millimeter size, which forms the feed material both to the downstream bar mill as well as the wire rod mill. The billets are rolled in the bar mill, which is equipped with a rapid cooling system for the production of rebars using TempCore process. This process yields hard-tempered martensite at the surface and ductile ferritobenite at the core, ensuring corrosion-resistant and mild steel rebars of 16 to 36 mm size with high strength, excellent weldability and bendability. rounds of 16 to 38 mm sizes of forging quality steel, medium carbon and high manganese steel, spring steel and case hardening quality steel are also produced in the mill. Spring steel rounds of 20.64 mm size are a unique product of this mill, and they cater to the needs of the Indian Railways for the manufacture of ERC clips. Channels, squares, equal and unequal angles, flats and T-bars are also products of this mill. Billets fed to the wire rod mill are rolled to wire rods in the 4-strand continuous mill. Wire rods are manufactured by using Stellmore patented technology. Stellmore process ensures uniform grain size and desired metallurgical and mechanical properties. Tungsten carbide rings in pre-finishing and finishing Morgan blocks ensure excellent surface finish and close dimensional tolerance. Wire rods of 5.5 to 14.7 mm size and rebars of 8 to 12 mm size with excellent drawability are produced in the mill. Wire rods are manufactured for various applications like cold heading, tire bead, cable armoring, electrode, pre-stressed concrete wires, etc. Wire rods are supplied in 1200 kg coils. High-pressure compactors with automatic tying retain tight and proper coil shape. The medium merchant and structural mill, or MMSM, is a 20-strand high-capacity continuous rolling mill with a rolling speed of 9 meters per second. MMSM products are billets of 90, 75, 65 mm size, rounds of 40 to 80 mm size, angles of 75 to 110 mm size, channels 100 to 200 mm size, ISMB beams of 150 and 175 mm size. Value-added grades like forging quality steel of low